Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine with a Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1971 Ford Bronco. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 347 Ford, power forged pistons, double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, proper oil pan for the 71 Bronco, rear sump oil pan, oil stick and tube. It's real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there, all the wire looms. It's real nice Bronco valve covers with the matching air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. The Holley Sniper fuel injection menu screen will be completely dialed in, all set up for you, ready to go, plug and play. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line on there. It's real nice wraptor pulley kit. AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, correct lower hose location for the 71 Bronco on the passenger side. Bypass hose on there, thermostat housing, thermostats installed. 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, all ready to go. It's just the way you get it. Again, a custom built engine, ready to go, live ran, all set up. Thanks for watching.